If your goal is to not make any money on YouTube, then you should avoid all forms of monetization. Here are some steps to ensure you don't earn any revenue from your YouTube channel. Do not join the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. YPP is the primary way YouTubers earn money through ad revenue. By not joining this program, YouTube won't show ads on your videos, and you won't earn any revenue from them. Disable monetization. If you're already a part of the YouTube Partner Program, go to your YouTube Studio and disable monetization for all your videos. Avoid sponsored content. Do not collaborate with brands or companies to promote their products or services for a fee. No affiliate links. Refrain from using affiliate links in your video descriptions. These are links where you get a commission for every sale made through that link. Don't sell merchandise. YouTube provides an option for creators to link to their merchandise. If your goal is to not make money, avoid selling or promoting any merchandise. Avoid YouTube channel memberships. This feature allows viewers to join your channel through monthly recurring payments. Do not enable this feature. No super chat or super stickers. These are features where your viewers can pay money during live chats to highlight their messages. If you don't want to earn money, don't enable these. Do not use YouTube Premium revenue. When a YouTube Premium subscriber watches your content, you can earn a share of their subscription fee. If you don't wish to earn, avoid creating content that attracts premium subscribers or consider not joining the YPP, as mentioned earlier. Be cautious of copyright. Any copyrighted material in your video can lead to that video being monetized by the copyright holder, even if you don't monetize it yourself. Keep your channel private. If you want to share videos only with a select group and ensure you don't make money, set your videos to unlisted or private. This way, they won't be discoverable by the general YouTube audience. Remember that while these steps ensure you don't make money directly from YouTube, you can still incur costs, such as equipment, software, and time investment. If your goal is simply to share content without a profit motive, these steps will guide you in that direction.